Good morning and welcome to Eagles Nest Lab for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Macy.
Hello, I'm Logan.
I'm Allie. And I'm Courtney, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Wednesday, September 9th.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.dcps@davis.kyschools.us.
Attention all seniors, please make sure that you set up your Parchment account. If you have not taken care of this yet, please look for an email from your Parchment in your inbox. Open it and follow the instructions. It's simple and doesn't take much time. Please take care of this as soon as possible. Students, remember breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on red light status, you can pick up free meals from any DCPS schools on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Check the DCPS website for curbside meal pickup services times at each location. Apollo's serving time will be from 11:30 to 12:30 in front of the school.
We want to wish the freshman volleyball team good luck as they play at Owensboro this evening. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to your Wednesday. Wanted to let everybody know that our Gemini entrance and parent drop-off and pickup is now operational. So I know they still have to have one more layer of asphalt put down, but it's usable. So we will be using it this week as people stop by to pick up lunch. We are going to start having it available at the Gemini drop-off and pick-up entrance. So please be sure to stop by and see the ladies today to pick up your lunch. Also, just want to remind everybody to please wear your masks and stay distanced and wash hands frequently. Hopefully, if we can get everybody to continue following these procedures, we will be together hopefully sooner than later. As far as birthdays go, on this September 9th, Selena Arias Hodges, Ryan Edmondson celebrating a birthday today. Ryan, please tell your dad we said hello. Jay-Sean Hanley, Madison Jordan, and Jamin Kennison all celebrating birthdays today. Let's make it a great day in Eagle Nation.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.